Reach Home Depot and I'm gonna see if I can get some deals. Yeah. Guys, you won't believe how much I pay for this stuff. I got all of these items for 75% off. Whoa, yo! I'm gonna hit the road right now, head to Home Depot and see if I can find any items, and we will see how it works out. Look at this, guys. Let me show you something. Yeah, I got this guy for $5 at Five Below. It's a nice little lantern. I like it. You know, I can just hang it up on the top level at the Airbnb property. I like it. It's a nice little lantern. Even not like fuel you use inside of it, you use like candles. So they put a little candle in there. So yeah, nice little buy. I like it. Yeah, I keep it right here on my table right here. But let's take a drive over by Home Depot and see if we can find anything. All right, so let's go. Wow, you guys here already? Wow, you guys was waiting in the truck for me. I should have shown you the items that I've gotten at ShopRite. When I come back from Home Depot, I'll show you. But for right now, guys, let's take a drive. Let's hit the street. We're gonna jump over by Home Depot and we're gonna see what they have over there and see if we can find any super crazy deals or clearance items to send down for the Airbnb property to Jamaica. You ready? Let's hit the road. So yeah, guys, so we are finishing up our Airbnb property down there in Jamaica. Everybody do stuff differently, and according to your finances or the resources that is available to you, you know, you do your stuff. For me, during this time of year, we'll get some crazy deals. Any of you following the channel, you may probably saw a video that I uploaded where I was, you know, finishing up the powder room. All those items except for the grout and the tin set. Everything else, guys, those guys, we got them on crazy deals in the United States. No joke about it. So that's what I do, guys. That's what I do. Some people say, oh, you can buy those stuff in Jamaica and you don't have to ship certain stuff from America. I get it. I understand. That is true. But in these items, like, seriously marked down, guys. Ridiculous. I'm getting a 12 by 12 marble tile, a 12 by 12 slate tiles, a 12 by 24 porcelain tiles for $1 US. You cannot get a tile in Jamaica for $1 US. So, and I'm not talking about ceramic tiles. I'm talking about quality tiles. Marble tiles, slate tiles, and porcelain tiles are high-end tiles in Jamaica. And I am able to get them for $1 in the United States. So why shouldn't I like buy them and send them down? Buy them and send them down. The money that I'm going to pay to ship it and clear it is nothing compared to how much I would have to pay for it in Jamaica. So it's a win-win for me. So right now, guys, I'm going to look for interior and exterior decor, and also I'm going to see if I can get some patio cushions and some patio tables. Yeah, that's what is on my agenda. So enough long talking, guys. I'll see you when I reach at Home Depot. A V6 on the toll road. Me a drive fast and me a blow smoke. Big up to Color Smith TV. Yo bro, this song bad. A G6 on the toll road and me a drive fast and me a blow smoke. I don't remember all of the line, but guy, Colors, your song bad me, bro. Big up, much respect to you, bro. Alright, keep on doing your thing. Much respect from Manix Robinson TV. Continue to do your thing, bro. A long time you are putting in work. Reap the fruit of your labor. For God to by your side. Respect from Manix Robinson TV. See you guys when I reach a Home Depot. So guys, reach Home Depot and I'm gonna see if I can get some deals. Yeah. Oh, 1288, original 1999. Wow, look at this guy, look at this. Originally $5.99, it's now $3.99. Nice three-piece set. Yeah, beautiful. This three-piece set is $2.49, originally $4.99. Not bad at all. This table originally $99, it's for $49. Wow, originally $119. Not bad at all. Yeah. I'm gonna get these guys. I need these two guys right here. And I thought that they would have marked down these guys more, but they didn't. I'm gonna get these two lamps right here. Yeah, I need two of them. Yeah, nice. I like them. Yeah, there's some outside stuff to hang up on the patio in Jamaica. Yeah, I just need two of them right here. Yeah, beautiful. I like them. Yep. I would get this one, but there's no, it's only the one they have. So I'm not gonna do it. I like these also, but these are nice. I like these too, but I prefer these guys more. Yeah. You can put the light on the inside of it and just put it on the porch. Yeah. The thing, guys, I should get this one. This, I like this. It looks like a pineapple. Yeah. It's a I call it a lantern. Yeah. All of them are lanterns. Yeah. I like these ones. Yeah. But these are the tables that I want, so they still haven't marking down the price as yet. It's still at $34. It was $69. I was hoping that they would have marked it down more, but apparently not. They're square offset umbrellas, originally $5.99. They're on sale for $1.99. Yeah, not bad at all. Yeah, those are some nice umbrellas right there. Yeah. Yeah. These are some big round chair tables. $49, originally $99. Three-piece woven seating set. Wow, those are still high. They could have marked down those more. Some lounge chairs. These are some nice lounge chairs. They originally $149. They're for $74. Not bad at all. Yeah. These ones, these are on sale. $49.98, $24. Yeah, that's why they mark down this so much. Look at the white, look at the footprints on it. Yeah, it's like pick up dirt real quick. Yeah, yeah, I guess that's why it's sitting there. It's like you'd have to design or rewrap the cushion in a different color because the white is not working out. So right now guys, they're like 50% off. They're still high. Yeah. These are some patio rugs, indoor, indoor rugs. Yeah. These are not bad. I got one of this last year for $13. They're still high. Yeah. So when I checked, it was the same 6. And the price is only half price, half off. I'm gonna come back next week and see if they mark it down some more, and hopefully I can get it cheaper. I like these tables. Yeah. I had sent down two to Jamaica already. Yeah, I'll show you the video and let you see them, how they blends in with the furniture that I have there already. So I'm gonna need like 3 more. So I'm gonna wait and see, and hopefully I can get them at a more reduced price. Yeah. Faucet. So are they mowing? Wow. So nice. They are nice. I like them. Nice, exquisite look. Yeah. Originally $129, now $119. Not bad, but I don't need no faucet. I already have faucet that I need in Jamaica. Oh, these are Delta. Oh, nice. That's what it looks like. Coming out. Yeah, nice. What it looks like. Delta. That's beautiful. See, I don't need any faucets. We don't have a lot of stuff marked down this time around. I need one of this for Alex to play in the dirt. Yeah, she like playing in the dirt, so I'm gonna get this little tool for her. Nice. Yeah, she and Max can play with it. It's like for what, $5? Not bad at all. Yeah, she can use it to play. Yeah, nice. Definitely gonna get it for her. I like this guy underneath here. I like this one. It's a nice spot. It's not bad also. Originally 24 is now 13, 61, 31. Yeah. Not bad at all. Yeah. These are not bad at all. 1107, 21. These are some nice size. Nice also, right there. I like these. Okay. These, I got 6 of these last year. I got one for $5. They are for $19.98 right now. So it don't look like they're gonna mark them down because let's see, they are built up dust. Yeah. It's a fire pit. Yeah. Clay fire pit. Yeah. About 169. Beautiful. That's the big ones right here. Yeah, this is gas fire pit. Yeah, got these special buy. Not bad. Not bad at all. These are some nice majestic palm. That's what they call them. Yeah, they're beautiful. But yeah, guys, we don't seem like we're gonna find a lot of good deals today. It's just 50% off is still a deal, but I thought that they would have gone down a little bit lower, but apparently not. So we're gonna have to stop by again next week and see if we hit or nail some more deals. Cause we're looking for the ridiculous deal, guys. 50% off is good. 25% off is good, but you're looking for 75% off. Yeah, to offset shipping and also offset duty and taxes and fees down here in Jamaica. Alright? So stay tuned. We're gonna take a little walk around again and see if we see anything else. And then we're gonna head back home and I'm gonna show you what are the items that I got from ShopRite. Alright? Don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. I love these majestic farms. See you later, Virgin. Alright? Just ever buy you out, they take care of you.
Leave those unpleasant thoughts. I assure you, soon you won't have a single care left. At least, not in the world of the moon.
Or you cannot hide. I will always find you. I will invade your dreams and your mind. You cannot stop the inevitable.
So yes, guys, so just came out of Home Depot and I thought that what I wanted would have been marked down more, but they are not. So I'm gonna wait and see if they mark them down a little bit more, like next week. I'm gonna check again next week and hopefully, if not, I'm still gonna buy them because I need those tables. They're the cheapest right now. I check on Amazon, they're still selling those tables like for $70 something. So Home Depot is have them on clearance now for $39. But I want to see if I can get them cheaper. I can see that they're not moving, they're still on the shelf. Hopefully they mark them down some more next week. If not, I'm still gonna get like 4 of them. The lanterns, I needed 2 lanterns. I need more than 2. But let's see if they mark them down anymore next week, and then we're gonna grab a couple of them. I got this little Imes shovel for Alex Adore gardening. You know, I have one there, but it's a little bit bent. Originally $10. It was on sale for $4, so I got it for her. So when she goes in the back of the yard, she can play in the dirt. But apart from that, it was not what I had expected to be today. You know, it's still a sale going on. It's 50% off. Certain items are 75% off, but those items, I'm not really interested in those items. It's the ones that I need are still 50% off. I hope they had marked down those 2. Those also for 75%. They didn't. Maybe they see the sale of them is still up. So we're gonna check back next week again and see. But apart from that, I'm gonna go home now, guys, and I'm gonna show you the items that I got for some ridiculous prices. They're in my garage. I'm not gonna ship them off to Jamaica as yet because I need the rest of items to go with them before I send off anything. I need to send off just 1 shipment and then we see how that goes. All right, so guys, I'm gonna hit the road. Yeah. purchase. These guys right here, you know, all of what you see right here is going down to Jamaica. So reason why I choose to wait until the summer is over is because I know that they're gonna mark them down, and when they mark them down, that money that I save help me to pay the shipping and the custom duty down there in Jamaica. Some people may criticize it, some people may say, wow, good idea, thumbs up. Everybody look at things differently. Stuff in America, certain stuff we will buy in Jamaica, but like stuff like these that we can get cheap, we will buy them up here and ship them down. Yeah, no joke about it. But enough long talking, guys. Let me walk through it with you right now and show you the item. We have 2 grills. Yeah. These guys were originally $80-something. We got them like for, was it like for $12 something, if I'm not mistaken. So we already have a grill down there. So we want to ensure that each floor has a grill. That means anybody, you know, whether they're traveling from overseas or they reside down in Jamaica, if they want to grill some chicken or pork or whatever they want to do, each floor can have a grill. So we already have one down there, so I gone ahead and acquired 2 more. So these guys got them at ridiculous price, guys. Really crazy. $12.50 marked down from $80-something. Yeah, we got some teak jars, you know, lanterns, you know, these ones. Yeah, some people may be acquainted with this, where it is like this, but this one I saw they had these guys there. I wanted to purchase some from last year, but I said, you know what, it slipped my mind to have gone back and get them when they mark them down. But this time I got the sale, and these guys are originally $15. They are clay jars. You got the lantern, they put it in the clay jar where it's a nice thing where you can put it to sit and it burns. Yeah, fill it up with your oil, your teak oil or tiki oil or something like that. Yeah, originally $15, some change. I got them like for $2 something. So I pick up 3 of them. I needed more, but by the time I went back, somebody already purchased all of them, guys. It's not me alone that is out there doing this. It's a stiff competition, guys. Stiff competition. Yeah. And these are some lemonade jars, as you can. Let me show you something real quick. So this is the dispenser, you know. Let me show you what yeah, you just put this guy goes in there like this. Yeah, like that. Yeah, and then you just let out your juice. This is the part that screws the inside. Yeah, and keep it firm, and yeah, and the rubber that is there prevent it from leaking. Yeah, so these guys were originally $11 and change. I got them for $1. There was only 2, so I just picked up the 2 because I know that I'm gonna need them, because you know you have visitors on your property. You know, you just put out some juice for them and they just help themselves. So I wanted to get like three of them, 4, you know, one for each floor, but I only got 2 for now. Hopefully I get another one. Yeah, nice jar, guys. Nice lemonade jar. You can make your own juice, put it out, and your guests can help themselves. And then over here we got right there we got our 7-piece outdoor patio set. Yeah, this guy was originally $600 and something. I got it for $175. I think the tag is still on it, but it is covered up with these teak folding armchair. We're gonna eventually get to this, but let us talk about the patio, that thing. So I went to ShopRite. I went you know, to pick up regular food stuff, you know, my regular weekend supermarket shopping. And I saw this guy and I said, yo, is this price real? And they said, yeah. So I said, hey, bam, I just pay for it same time, tell them that I will be back to pick it up with the truck. Sure enough, I did. We already have two patio set down there. We had needed one more, and this is it. As I said, we try to outfit each floor with amenities or things that let the visitors feel comfortable. So each floor is gonna get a grill, and each floor gonna have a patio dining set. Yeah. And this, as I said, this is a 7-piece. So all these guys some teak folding armchairs. Yeah, these guys were originally $40-something. They went down to $12.25. So I got like 4 of them. Yeah, nice, beautiful. So this is what they look like, guys. This is what it looks like, and this is what the patio set look like. This is the set. This is what it looks like. Yeah. And this is what the teak folding armchair look like. I have one out of box already, so I'm gonna, after I finish this, I'm gonna let you look at it. So we got 4 of them, and then right here we got some wicker bird nest lounge chair for kids. I wanted to get like 3 of them, but they only had 2. They were like for $300 and something. I got one for $85, which is super cool. And yeah, so I only need one more. So hopefully next time around I can get the next one so that each floor can have one of these guys. Yeah, so as I said, each floor gonna have a grill, a patio set, one of these guys right here, and then we have some boats, some floatable boats that we acquire so that, you know, if visitors come and they want to do some excursion or they want to go out, you know, we can provide certain stuff for them also. So we have some inflatable boats right here. Each floor of the house has a big veranda, big in such a way that you can put out one of these inflatable pools and fill it up with water and enjoy yourself. So we got 2 of them. We need 1 more and I will be set. You can put it on your veranda, fill it up with water, and relax while you're looking off in beautiful Montego Bay. These guys were originally $35. We got these guys for $3. Yeah. And then over here we got a air fryer. We are trying to get an air fryer for each floor. We got 2 of them. We're gonna see if we can get 1 more. These guys, I don't know the price of it. My wife is the one that purchased this. I'm gonna have to ask her. And then we have some igloos. Visit the Airbnb property in Jamaica. You want to take a drive out. You have your own personal igloo that you can use. Yeah, there it is right there. Yeah, no joke about it, guys. That's how we do it. And then up here we have some next items. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. These are the grilling tools that go with each grill. Each floor will get their own grilling utensils that they can use. Yeah, here they are right here. Yeah, no joke about it, guys. So that is where we are right now. And we are still in the process of getting more items for the property down there. Yeah. But as I say, guys, we wait until when stuff marked down so that we can acquire them. Yeah, so this is what the teak folding chair looks like. It's a nice chair. I like it. From ever since I saw them in ShopRite when they put it out, I always say that I wanted a couple of them, but I said, you know what, let me wait till they mark them down before I get them. They were, as I said, they were for $40-something. I got it like for $12.25 if I'm not mistaken. So I got like 4 of the arm ones. They're nice. I like them. Yeah, very nice. Teak wood is a very strong wood, guys. If anybody know about teak wood, it's very strong. It's a very durable wood. These items, we got them at some really ridiculous price. No joke about it. Yeah, but as I say, guys, that's how I do my thing. Yeah, and if and some people may say, yo, why are you doing that? You can buy it in Jamaica. You can buy those stuff in Jamaica. you can buy certain stuff in Jamaica, and yeah, okay, I get it. That is true, but we all know that it doesn't work like that. Yeah, but guys, that's it, man. That's it. Tomorrow, guys, I'm gonna be going to Lowe's. I'm going to be going to Lowe's. I'm going to be checking out Lowe's to see if Lowe's have anything over there. Home Depot price, I will wait, but we're going to hit the road, go check out Lowe's to see what Lowe's is going on with. So if you're interested in seeing that video, subscribe, press that post notification that when I drop that video, you won't miss it. So until I see you on that next journey, guys, enjoy this one. If you like it, leave a thumbs up, a comment, leave a comment. All right? That's how we do our thing, people. So you have yourself a blessed one, and I'm going to drop the link for Mannix Robinson TV in the description. You can go over there and check out and see what's going on with the Airbnb property down there in Jamaica. So until I see you again on the next journey, guys, you have yourself a blessed one. Peace and love every time.